Hello people, you're welcome once again to our YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your support. If you're a new subscriber, I want to so much thank you for visiting, and I want to ask that you kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I post new videos. So last week or in the previous video, I actually showed you how you can be able to develop your own trading robots. I showed you how you can develop your own trading robots with zero coding skills. How you can develop your trading robot, your forex trading robot with zero coding or programming skills. So, and I told you last video that there are about four steps to take when you are developing a trading robot. The first one is a strategy research. The second one is robot development or robot design. The third one is robot testing on a demo account, on a demo trading account, while the fourth one is a robot integration on a live account. Okay, so these are the four steps. And last video, please try and view the last video. I actually link it up in the description box of this video. I put a link to that video in the description box of this video. And we talked about these four steps, and I want to assume that you have actually gotten the robot designed, and now you want to install it on your demo account or live account, or as the case might be, or you want to install it on your MT4 or MT5 account. All right, so that is why I'm doing this video. I said I'm going to do a video on how to install the trading robot to your trading account. So this is a follow-up to that previous video. So if you're yet to view that previous video on how to design or develop your trading robot with zero trading experience, zero coding or programming skill, you look at that video, view that video from beginning to the end. It's going to help you. So now I want to assume that you have actually developed the robot, and now you've gotten it, or you contracted a designer, a developer, to help you to develop the robot, and now you have downloaded the robot. Okay, so you download the robot. So you download the robot to your PC. This is your PC. So you have downloaded the robot to your PC. So the first step to take now is to locate the folder where you downloaded the files. Okay, you need to locate the folder where you downloaded the files. So I want to assume that this is your PC. You go to PC downloads. Okay, on your computer, you go to PC downloads. Okay, so when you go to PC download, you're going to see the files. Look at it. These are I'm using this particular robot design as a case study. This is a user guide, and I told you that after you have gotten your robot, it comes with two things. It comes with the robot, the executable file. It comes with an executable file, or which is the same as the installation file. Okay, installation file. Okay, which are these? Installation file, and also comes with a user guide for the robot. So these are the two things you get after the design of your robot. You have the installation file for that robot, and also which comes as an executable file, and you have a user guide in form of a PDF a user guide. All right, so that is actually it. So now I want to assume now that you have downloaded this file. You download the developer of the robot to send you the file in form of a link. Maybe it's your email address. You download it to your PC. So I want to assume you have downloaded it to your PC. All right, so you download the robot file to your PC. When you have downloaded to your PC, you now right click on the executable file. Right click on this one, okay, on the executable file, and you copy it. Okay, when you copy it, you open your MT4 account. Open your MT4 account, or log into your MT4 trading account. It could be MT4 or MT5, as the case might be. If you want to use MT4, in this case, I want to use MT4 as a case study here, but the same thing applies to MT5. Whether you are using MT5 or you're using MT4, the same thing applies. So you open your MT4 account and log into your trading account. Okay, so you need to know that robots are installed, trading robots are installed on a PC, on a private computer, on a desktop computer, and not on a smartphone. So you need to download the trading robot to your computer. It could be a laptop or a desktop. All right, it could be a laptop or a desktop. So, but you can actually monitor your trades on your phone. Okay, but to install the robot is actually installed on a computer. And last video I said that in order to keep that robot has to be on, your system has to be on 24/7 for that robot to be working. It has to be powered. Your system has to be powered on, okay, 24/7 and with internet, in order for the robot to be working and trading for you automatically. So now I said that the best way to do it is to actually, I said it in the previous video, the best way to do it is to install your robot on a VPS, okay, virtual private computer. And I recommended the VPS software you can actually use. Though next video I'll be also, in the previous subsequent video, I'll be doing a video on a very cheap VPS service that you can actually use, a very affordable VPS that you're going to use. I'm going to do a subsequent video on that. Last time I showed you that you can actually get a VPS on a MQL5. Okay, on MQL5, you can get a VPS as low as $15 per month. All right, but subsequent video I'm going to show you a cheaper one. You can use a cheaper VPS that you can actually purchase. All right, so now you install the robot on your desktop computer, and now on your computer you open your MT4 or MT5. Open the that is your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. When you open it, you click on file. This is your MetaTrader 4. Okay, you click on file here. This file. Okay, that is file. You can see file. You click on file. I just enlarged it. You see file. Click on file. When you click on file, you see the menu that will come up. You see, after clicking on file, you come to open data. Click on open data folder. All right, so we have clicked on file. This is you now click on open data folder right here. So on your trading account, that is your MT4 account. Okay, MT4. When you click on your MT4 or MT5, you click on file on the top left corner. File. Now the sub menu that will come out, you click on open data folder. Okay, we have already downloaded the EA to our trading to our computer. All right, you have downloaded the EA to your computer, and you have copied the EA. All right, so now this is your MT4 account. So you click on file menu, open data folder. So you see when you click on open data folder, you see a new window, which you now see your MQL4 folder. Okay, so you now see a new window, which you now see your MQL4. This could be MQL5 as well, depending on which one you install on your computer. It could be MQL4 or MQL5. All right, so I'm just using this one as an example. Okay, so you have now clicked on MQL. When you click on open data folder, you will see a subfolder which you now find MQL4, all right, or MQL5 as the case might be. So next thing is to click on expert folder. When you click on MQL5 or MQL4, you see another menu. You see expert folder. Click on expert folder because you are looking at installing an expert advisor. So you see expert folder. You're going to click on. So you have clicked on this expert folder. When you click on expert folder, you will see some series of files on the folder, several other folders. You see, so what you now do, you now copy and you now paste. I told you initially the first thing we did was to click on on our PC, where the EA was located. You now copy that file that we clicked, right click, copy it and paste it here. Okay, you paste it here. Remember we said file, click on file. Okay, open data folder. Now we now went to MQL4 or MQL5. MQL5. Now you click on expert. Okay, expert. So you see the steps. Now you click on expert. Okay, when you click on expert, you will see these are series of other experts that your system, that MQL4, MQL5 came with. Okay, series of expert advisors or indicators that your MQL4 or MQL5 came with by default. So here now we're going to copy that folder we saw at the beginning. That's the EA folder. You copy the EA folder, copy it and paste it here. Just paste it here. When you paste it, it will appear somewhere here. All right, so you paste. Look at it. You paste it in this place, in one of these. Just place it here. It will appear here. All right, it will appear at the expert folder. All right, you paste that EA you bought or the EA that was designed for you. You paste it at the expert folder of your MT4 or MT5 account. All right, so now you close your MT5 or MT4 and open it again. You close it and open it again. All right, so to make sure that you downloaded the EA correctly, you do the following steps. So you see the expert advisor menu, click on the plus sign to the left, and you will see the EA. All right, so to make sure that you to cross check after closing the EA, after closing your MT4 or MT5, there's MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. You open it again after you have pasted the EA you want to install on that expert folder. You open it and you now click on the expert advisor section. Okay, when in your trading account on your EA, you see different menus. Okay, you see IC markets for MT4 accounts. You see different folders. So there's a folder for expert advisors, or this is here. If you open you look at it at the left hand side of your MetaTrader 4 for PC or MetaTrader 5 window for PC, you will see, click on expert advisors. You see this is the software. This is the expert advisors. All right, so this is the expert advisor that we actually pasted. So to cross check that you actually install it correctly, you will see that expert advisor. This is the example of expert advisor I'm using for this. So now you will see it. So when you now see it, you will now be sure that you have actually installed it correctly. So now after installing it, the next step now is to activate it. You have installed the EA. On your MT4 account. Now you need to activate it on your MT4 account or MT5 account so that it can become operational. It can start working for you. So that is what we want to look at now, which is activating the EA. So now that EA, depending on EA, different EA have different pairs that which they trade it on. Now some things you need to look at. For every EA, you can say, okay, I designed this EA, or this EA was able to trade only Euro USD or GBP USD or gold or AUD USD, etc. Some you might say, okay, this my EA will trade all of these 4 pairs, or will trade only Euro USD, or will trade 20 something pairs or 18 pairs or 15 pairs, depending on the case might be. Now you need to select the pairs. Select the pairs that you want your EA to trade, because some EA work best with some pairs. All right, you might want to say, okay, let this EA be traded only on these pairs. So you need to select the pairs, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Second thing, you need to select the time frame. Time frame you want your EA to trade for you. You want it to be trading only on a 5 minutes time frame. You want it to trade on 5 minutes time frame, or you want it to trade on 15 minutes time frame, or you want it to trade on 30 minutes time frame, or you want it to trade on 1 hour time frame. You want to trade on H4 time frame, as the case might be. But for this particular EA example I'm using, you want it to trade in on M5 time frame, which is the 5 minutes time frame. All right, so you need to be sure of the time frame you want it to trade for you. All right, so you need to open each of the pairs. Like for this particular EA now, these are the pairs. I told you need to select the pairs that you want the EA to trade for you. For this particular EA now, these are the pairs that the designer of this EA have tested the EA and want it to be trading about 18 pairs. All right, but for you, you might not want it to trade many pairs. You want it to trade just a few pairs. All right, so you need to select the pairs, and we're going to show you how you're going to do that. All right, so what you need to do, for this particular EA now, you go to each pair. You want the pairs that you want the EA to trade for you. You have to right click on the pair, and when you right click on the pair, you see show data. So when you show data, it will open up the window that you want. You have to open all the windows. If you want to paste the EA, you want to activate the EA on 5 trading pairs, you have to right click on each of those pairs and open their windows. Open their windows on your MT4. Open the chart window. Open the chart of each of those meta trades. Sorry, each of those pairs you want the EA to work on. You have to open each of them so that you can install it on the individual pairs. You want the EA to work for you on only one pair, you have to open that pair and select the time frame. And now you drag the EA from the file, from the expert advisor session, and drag and drop on that particular chart. Then you need to also now enable auto trading. That EA will start working on that pair. So here, we want to assume that the EA is being installed on. We want to assume that the EA is to be installed on several pairs. So each of those pairs, these are individual pairs, okay, individual Forex pairs. If you want it to be installed on all the pairs, you have to right click on each of these pairs and show all. All right, that will open up the chart. It will open up the chart for each. All right, so let us keep on moving. So to open each chart pair, right click each pair in and click chart windows. You have to click chart window in order to open up the chart window of all the pairs you want to install the trading robot to. All right, so the next thing to do, so these are just examples. These are just examples of several pairs you want to install this EA on. All right, so do not forget to set chart to be in 5 minutes. So you need to set the particular time frame, as I told you, that you want to trade. So you want the EA to trade. I told you two things. You select two things. I told you when you are activating the EA on the particular, you want to install the EA on a particular chart. Two things. Number one, select the chart. Select the Forex pairs you want the EA to trade on. You open the chart window. Open chart windows of those pairs. Okay. When you open the chart windows of those pairs, you need to click on the particular on each pair. On each pair, you need to do something. On each pair, you need to do something, which is what you need to do. On each of the pair, you need to activate. You need to open the time frame. Which could be M5, M15, M30, that you want the EA to actually trade on. Okay, you need to open the time frame you want the EA to actually trade on. So when you have done that, we can now, fourth thing is now to drag and drop. Drag the EA from the EA section, from the expert section, into each of the pair, into each pair that you have opened, each pair window. Okay, so you drag and drop into each of the pair window. You drag and drop into each of the pairs window. All right, so that is this. So let's just move straight and see how this works. All right, so you see, this is where we are showing you. Okay, let me expand it. You see, these are the time frames, various time frames. So about this particular robot, we are installing it on 5 minutes time frame. So from the design, it works best on 5 minutes. It works best on 5 minutes time frame. So that is why we are installing it on a 5 minutes time frame. All right, so you need to do that. So, and as I said, if you want the EA to trade for you to trade for you on multiple time frame, on multiple forex pairs, you can go to your chart. You can click on tile windows, go to windows and click on tile windows from your menu bar up of your MT4. You see windows, click on windows and click on tile windows here, tile windows. So what this will do to you is that it will open up a cascaded form of various individual windows of that forex pair, of the various forex pairs that you have selected that you want to install the EA on. All right, so that is what it's going to do for you. So tile windows, let us see how it works. You're going to see that you're going to see that the these are various pairs that we want to install the EA on. But if you are installing the EA on just one pair, you don't need to do all of that. All right, so you don't need to do all of that. So you say you are trying the trading system to each of the pairs individually by dragging and dropping. As I already said, this drag and drop. So drag and drop. So what you need to do right now, you can see here, see here on your left side, on the left hand corner of your trading account, which is your MT4 or MT5 account, you will see a section called the expert advisors. That is where the expert advisor that you installed is going to be showing. You're going to see the file, the name of it, the name of the expert advisor that you want to install. You're going to see it showing. You're going to see it showing right here. All right, you're going to see it showing right here. So let us enlarge it so you can see what I'm talking about. You will see under symbols, under navigator, you see the accounts, you see indicators, you see expert advisors. So you go see the particular expert. In this case, is the expert advisor file that we have installed on our MT4 account. So what we want to do now is to drag and drop. Okay, is to drag and drop. So you drag, use your mouse or whatever, drag and drop to each particular file. Drag and drop to each particular pair. All the pairs you have opened a cascaded form. You drag and drop on them. So you are trying to activate the EA on each of the forex pairs you want to trade. You want that EA to be working on. If it is only one forex pair, you don't need to do all of this. You just need to drag and drop on that particular forex pair. All right, so that is it. So once you have drag and drop, you have once you drag and drop on a particular chart window, you see this menu come out. That is an expert menu. To show, you click on common. Okay, you click on common. This common. Once you drag and drop on a particular chart window, this pop-up menu will come up. Pop-up window will come up, showing you some things you need to do, which is you need to click on the common. When you click on common tab, you have to enable expert and allow live trading. These two things are important. Allow live trading. You click on enable chart and allow live trading. Okay, very important. Okay, and also click on allow import of external experts. You click on OK here. Click on OK. All right, so you click on OK, and then what else? So I just explained all of this. You click on common and allow live trading. So you have to do it on all the pairs. You have to do it on all the pairs that you want to activate the EA on. You have to do it on all the pairs that you want to activate the EA on. So when you have done all that, you now go to the top menu of your MT4, the top bar menu of your MT4 or MT5. You have to click on auto trading. You have to enable auto trading. Okay, see it now. You have to enable auto trading. See, you have to enable auto trading. You have to enable it. If you don't enable auto trading, the EA will not start working on the account. So you have to enable auto trading. Okay, another way to enable it is to click on Control E, Control plus E. Okay, this is a short key for enabling auto trading. But if you don't want to click on this short key, you just come straight. You just come straight to your top menu and click on auto trading. If you don't click on this auto trading, enable auto trading, the EA will not start working for you. All right, so this is it. So when you do that, that EA will start working for you. All right, just need to enable that your computer is powered. The EA will start taking trades based on the instructions that is coded into the EA. So, but now let's assume, let's do some troubleshooting. In the installation of this EA, you might encounter one or two challenges. Maybe you tried all these steps and it didn't work. These are further steps, some troubleshooting steps you can take. Some troubleshooting steps you can take. First thing, if your EA is not working, first thing, be sure that the auto trading is enabled, because sometimes your auto trading might be off and you have installed the EA, it's not working for you. That's just I've just showed you. You can either use Control plus E to enable. This is a short key for enabling auto trading, or you just click on the auto trading button on the top menu of your MT4 account. Okay, so that is one. So also, if you are still here this is auto trading. This is auto trading I told you about here. So you have to make sure, very important, make sure that it is actually open and it's showing green. It is showing green, showing green. If it's not showing green, that means it's not active. All right, you need to be sure, very important, that it is showing green. Another thing you can do, in case you have done that and your EA is still not working, you can right click on the chart, okay, on your trading chart, and click on Expert Advisor. Click on Expert Advisor. Okay, click on the right click on the trading chart and click on Expert Advisor. Now you click on Common. See what I'm saying? You click on you choose the common tab, right? You choose the common tab and you will see the trading box. Make sure that you allow live trading is checked. Okay, live trading, make sure it's checked. All right, so that is another thing you need to do. Another thing you can do is, when you click on Expert Advisor, you right click on the chart window, you see Expert Advisor, you click on Properties. Okay, right click on this menu on the chart window, you see Expert Advisor, click on it. You have a sub menu which is Properties. When you see these properties, you have another pop-up menu which is showing you some other things to do. You click on Common. When you click on Common, on the Common tab, you should also check whether allow live trading is checked, and allow enable expert is checked, and also allow import external expert. These three things you need to ensure that they are checked, and you click on OK. These things, this pop-up, we have already checked it before, so you just like to cross check that they are checked. All right, another thing you need to do if you are troubleshooting maybe an EA that you have installed and it's not working. This one is a rare occasion, but what you can do is to go to the tools section of your MT4 account. Tools section, you see, go to tools section of your MT4 account. When you go to tools section of your MT4 account, you click on options. Okay, when you click on options, you click on Expert Advisors. Click on option, click on Expert Advisors, and when you click on the options, you also click on Enable Auto Trading here. Enable Auto Trading, very important. So you need to check that box. So when you check that box, I believe that your problem, whatever problem you have, should be solved, and your auto trading property will be fully enabled. But these troubleshooting steps are in case you are having any problem. You shouldn't have this. If you follow all these steps I've given you, you shouldn't encounter these problems, these installation problems. So these problems come up maybe due to one or two errors in your installation. You didn't follow the process as it ought to be. So that's why I gave you these troubleshooting steps. So you are actually done. You are done. Your auto trading should be enabled. Just ensure that you have your system is fully powered and continuously powered. Or to avoid all of that, you can get a VPS and install your trading software or the Expert Advisor, the trading robot, on a VPS, so that your computer will always be on. Your virtual computer will be on all the time. So I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to our channel. And I also have a free Telegram group whereby I post chart analysis almost every day. All right, so to join that free Telegram channel, the link to the channel is on the description box of this video or the profile section of this YouTube channel. All right, I post chart analysis daily, which you can actually trade at your own discretion. Right. So, and also, if you want me to mentor you personally on forex trading, you want me to be your mentor, I actually do what is called a one-on-one mentorship. It's at a very subsidized rate. I take you by the hand and train you until you become proficient at forex trading. So if you're interested in that, you can chat me up. My contact is in the description, is in the free Telegram channel. My contact is at the free Telegram channel. All right, so join that Telegram channel and you will see my contact. You can chat me up and learn more about one-on-one Forex mentorship training. So till I come your way next time, I want to wish you all the best as regards Forex trading, and I wish you that you're going to become a profitable Forex trader. I'm going to be doing another video subsequently on other things, so stay tuned to this YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and other Forex traders, so that they can upcoming Forex traders, so that they can actually profit from this video. Till I come your way next time, do have a wonderful and a blissful day. Thank you.